Now you're on.
Hello, good evening everyone. Good evening everyone. Yes, last time I gave you homework of giving offerings only in Lord Ganesha because we decided that we will be going for mixed media work, right? And in Lord Ganesha we will be doing white pistols. And so without delay, let's get started now. First of all, can you all hear? Show me thumbs up. Ask them to show thumbs up. Can you all hear me? Please show thumbs up if you all can hear me. No, we can't actually.
हाँ जी जी
Okay, now is it clear? Is my voice clear now? Okay, okay. And can you see the screen? Okay, fine. So without delay, let's get started. Okay, so as we decided last time that we are going to do oil pastel in Lord Ganesha, and background we will be covering up with watercolors, right? So in oil pastels, the steps are different. For watercolors, the steps are different. In watercolor work, we don't give outlines. The outline is the last part we are supposed to do. But in oil pastel, after making drawing, we give outlines and then we erase extra lines also. Okay? So as in this drawing, and this Janeu I want to do white. So because of this, I didn't give outlines with black. Okay? Now I will clean my drawing by erasing extra lines. Now, yes. First, we will be completing the background. Erase all extra lines of Lord Ganesha. Yes, and the background circles also I will erase because my watercolor is going to be very transparent. So just a idea that till here I'm going to do this color, then I will be doing that color is more than enough for me. So what I will be doing, this circle I will erase. Yes. Yes. Yeah, now I erase, but I can clearly see that this is my inner circle, this is outer circle, and this is the remaining part. I will start with inner circle, and for this I'm going to take yellow, this is lemon yellow, and white. Okay, so I will be taking lemon yellow and white. And if you have thick brush, you can use thick brush. Okay, as I have thick brush, I will be using that for doing. So what I will be doing, I will start with yellow first. Okay, yellow. Yes. I will be taking yellow. And I will start this inner circle. I erase line so that the circle, yes, come on, this is lemon yellow color. Overlap lamp. And merge it with white. Take a little white, although I can merge it with water also for giving lighter tone, but I will prefer white. And I will extend it little with white. And gradually I should give cotton or something.
Cotton is ready.
No. This way it will be done. Okay, yellow, dark to gradually light. Now, before it dry, I'm supposed to start with my second color. That is red. I took red. It is vermilion hue, red color. Yes. If you don't have thick brush, you can use cotton. Okay, with cotton, you can do that. Now I will take my brush with my second color, and that is going to be red. And I will start from outer circle. Okay, I will start from outer circle. Now you will be able to observe that why I erase lines of pencil. With red, I will make my second outer circle. Very carefully, keep spreading. You can even use cotton if brush is not available. Finish the second circle. No need to be very even. Yes. Feather touch. The outer part is going to be darker. As in the inner circle, the outer will be darker. Video is not coming. Can you see the video, students? Okay, fine. So please click on speaker view. Those who can't see, please click on speaker view because rest all can see the video. The outer part will be darker. Many videos. Okay, now see where I'm mixing my color with yellow. What technique I'm supposed to use? That I'm showing now. What I will be doing? I will wash my brush and I will almost remove all the, I will be removing almost all the color from my brush. Okay. Little red watery colors must be there. I've taken yellow again and I will just move on sides. Just to show as if the colors are gradually blended. This way, you will blend colors. In the same brush, you'll take little yellow and you will blend it like this. Okay. And as I told you earlier, the outer part is more red. Okay, darker tone. The outer circle will be darker. Now my third dark color is going to be black. And same ways, when I will start with black now, finally I will merge like this only. Yes, it's going like this. And I will start with my third color, that is black. Yeah. I will go slow, beta. This is spreading work, na, Sadhvi? So here, before it dry, I will have to spread. But I will wait because this background we will complete and then we will come on this basic coloring. Okay? So that spreading we are supposed to do a little quickly. Otherwise the color will dry and settle and we won't be able to spread. So for this watercoloring background, we are supposed to be little quick. And last, that is black. Black. Okay. And same brush of red, I took black. With free hand, first apply black all around. Those who will be trying with on canvas, those who are trying this the same on canvas, they will be doing the same ways. But they will have to move their hand little more quick because on canvas, they must be using acrylic colors or oil colors. So the blending is supposed to be done little more quickly. Okay, yes. Now this third round. Smooth it with feather touch and moving your color in one direction. Finish from this side also. Yes. Now after applying, how to blend. Okay. Just look at this step carefully and then apply. Now see, I have applied black. Yes. Just 1 minute I want of your attention. Then you continue. What I will do, I will wash my black color. Okay. When I will wash, what will happen in my brush? Very watery black will be left. Very watery. And I will remove all water. And in the same brush, I'm going to take red. I will be taking red in same brush. And I will blend. In this watery black, I've taken red. And I will merge. The lines is going separate now. We are supposed to merge. As if gradually it's turning in black. You want to show this ways. This mixing you apply here. So you will get a maroonish touch up. Okay, apply this please. All around and round. So this background is ready. Okay, lamps and all. The background of our Lord Ganesha is ready. Okay, and fortunately I have space to keep my hand. So I'm not supposed to wait till my color is getting dried. I can immediately start with my oil pastel. But first I just want to see if yours is done or not. Those who are using cotton, they must have done earlier. Yes. Now, after giving the base, time for Lord Ganesha's work. I'm going to use, I will be using red, yes, please show. If possible, during watercolors, those who are finding harm, very good Mahalakshmi, very beautifully blended. Oh wow, you managed for canvas? Very nice, excellent. Going well, good. Okay, now see, just like Shriyadita ma'am, you are doing on canvas. So what you will be doing, you will be taking black color. I will be showing it here. Okay, here. What you will do, first you will apply black every time. Whenever you are blending, you will apply a touch of black because you are doing with a touch of black. You will wash your brush and then you will blend it with different color. You are going to use this technique. Okay, black you will apply only touch and immediately you will blend. Red and black we are blending. We are going to do 3 blending in whole Ganesha. Okay, so where I'm applying black, but you take a touch of black, otherwise it will become prominent and Lord Ganesha will turn black. So very limited amount of black, okay? And you will have to be quick as you're using fabric color. So mixing for, otherwise it will get dry and mixing won't appear. So little quickly you will have to do, okay? Let's get started. I've taken black and red. This is primary red, black, and I just want to show yellow. Here, somewhere. Here, I just want to show this kind of yellow spark. Okay, now black, red, and yellow. We always start with darker tone. Okay, and those who are doing Ganesha in Ganesha watercolors or acrylic colors, they will complete feature one by one. But as we are going to use the same colors technique, so we will apply black first in Lord Ganesha. So we will start from here. Okay, fortunately we have space to keep our hand. Yes, from here. And I will be applying it very smoky. Okay, here. It will be slightly dark all around the shape of Lord Ganesha. Almost all around. Okay, this way is here. Under ear, this is the fold. This is the fold of Lord Ganesha's ear. It is going to be dark. Inside, same here. Here. Okay. And see here, tummy. This tummy portion here, it will be going very dark. Here. I'm going to show it very dark. Applied smoky, you must be observing. It is almost applied all over the taking round. I will be showing almost all around my figure. And this cloth, the sitting posture which I made, here I applied black. bigger in more amount because I want to make it look little different than body. So I just add more black here. Okay, this ways I applied black all around. And why the darker part has gone here? Because lamp is here. Okay, when the fingers, now it's time for red, my second dark color, that is red. I will start merging. I will move over black. I will move over black and I will start merging. My red color, sides, you can move your color straight. Okay, on sides, you move your color straight and very bold. So that when you move your color round, the neatness can be maintained. Okay, yes. We will be doing it this ways. Merge. Merge all the colors, black and brown. As we are going to show our Lord Ganesha with one single color. So I'm going to use black and this only. The touch up, the jewelry and all will be done with. And you must be watching this dust. Keep removing, okay? Keep removing. Yes, Shadita ma'am, is it coming perfect with watercolors? Okay, fine. Yes, now very carefully I will complete ears. Yeah, it's coming perfect. Good merging. Continue. Yes, and this ways we will complete. As I want my Ganesha very bright, I decided to finish it with oil pastels because the intensity of these colors are equivalent to oil colors. Very carefully move over body and merge. We're supposed to finish the whole body like this. Make sure your tusk will be left uncolored as we want to show them white. Dust keep removing. Yes. Now I will do its mixing with black. Yes. So what will happen? Automatically the darker part which I want, because I applied black first, is getting merged with this and getting this. I will complete hands. This is completely, it will be done with. Jewelry is going to be yellow, bright yellow. Okay, the detailing will be done with white and yellow only. Yes. Okay, the borders, the kada, this rectangle part which I left now, this is going to be white. So you don't fill colors, because if you have watercolors, you won't be able to apply it over oil pastel. So we will leave it white. Very carefully first move on sides. Okay, now you must be observing that here, this part I have taken dark, and see this backside darker effect is giving it three-dimensional effect, and effect that it is above and that portion is backside, and this black here is giving depth. Okay, so this ways we add depth with help of black. This is a beautiful work on canvas, if manageable, because you will learn, you know the method that which color when to apply. You can try this on big canvas, because detailing is not too much in this work. Yes. I will finish dust. You can see lots of dust. Please keep removing out of your table. Okay. And even the fingers. I will finish feet of Lord Ganesha also this ways. Yes. White tusk and this rectangle part below hand, white, and feet. This rectangle will be left white. Okay? Yes. Now my second color is going to be gray. Black and gray. I'm going to use neutral color for making the stairs. Okay? Black and gray. Okay? And as you can observe in black and gray, black is darker and we always start with darker tone. Okay? So we will be applying black, smoky, just like Lord Ganesha only. We will be applying this side. As I'm showing my lamps this side, my darker part will go this side. Okay? Okay, I'm going to try very, very, very neutral colors. Because I want to show a very antique type look. Okay, antique look. Yes, I applied black like this. See, it's not very different and just around my stairs and very smoky. Start merging with gray as I did in Lord Ganesha. First, you fill sides. And as this mouse is here, I will just move around. My gray, I will move around. Around there, I will show little yellow. Okay, like it's spreading its light. Little, not too much. Orange flame. Yes. Yes. After completing, merge. The last one also, I will be merging. make it more refined. And the last stair also will be completing. First, you'll move straight. Okay. I just want to show very antique. So I've tried to show that kind of effect by giving rough strokes in the stairs, as if they're made of stone. Not very refined strokes, so that rough and ancient touch can be added. And I will little highlight with black, little. Slight highlighting with black again. Okay, yes. If I feel that my colors are dry, the lamps are dry, I can outline them. Yes, just outline them. Yes. Show me the- Wow. ये लग रही है। अच्छा। Orange. Orange. Okay, without outlines. I no need to make it very dark. Yes. Okay, and here as color is not applicable, it's not visible actually. Because of this, I will try to do yellow here. Yes. Yellow can be tried to show flame here. As orange is getting mixed, so we will be showing it this way. Yes. And yellow, deep yellow in this rectangle part, here, here, we left it white. Give a complete view, Aishi. Okay, yellow. These 4 rectangles are going to be yellow. Diyas, white, apply white. This much. Okay, white, same here. You will apply white in more than half diyas. And I will merge it with yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre. I just want to show petal ke diyas. Okay, after applying yellow, I will just put yellow ochre from this side. Okay, I'm repeating again. I applied white first and touch of yellow ochre from this side. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now I will be giving touch up. The final touch up I will be giving with, yes. This is the most important part. Yes, one thing is left. Here also diya will be of petal. So white, same we made that those diyas are same ways. White I will be applying. And then I will just give a touch up of yellow ochre. No prominent colorful way because I just want very antique touch up of the work. Now see yellow. I will be taking lime yellow and touch of white. Yellow and then touch of white, and I will be completing. Yes, you can make it with white also if you feel that no, yellow is not coming that prominent. You can try this white also. Okay. Yes, laddu is going to be white and Janeu. Janeu will be pure white. I will wash my brush and Janeu. Okay, Janeu. And then the strings of lamb. Okay, attach it with white. Yes. Same, one more line. Okay. With white, connect it. And don't forget to show white beads. Okay. This ways in yellow. Yes, obviously it will get little merged, but don't change color. I will be applying little more black in this bottom. Here, as I want to show darkness. Here, this complete aura is dark, right? This complete aura is dark. I will apply black, more black here on my stairs. Okay, where I have black aura, I will try to cover it up. This is. Move straight. And I'm going to make my flowers white. Okay, because I've applied only 2 colors. White flowers. All flowers apply watercolor. Make them white. But here in flowers, you can, if you want, you can try some pink and red flowers also. Absolutely your choice. Let's try some. I have yellow. Few flowers I'm going to try yellow. Yes. And inner circle. I made few white and few yellow. And the inner circle, I'm going to make red. I will be making inner circle. Red. Okay, with pure red, I just want to give little highlighted touch up. Okay. Yes. This is all about, if you feel that here, I just want to give a touch up. I just touch halka sa red. Yes. And this is all about our today's work. It's a detailed work, but no, not at all. Wow. Rajeshri ma'am, it's looking great. Very beautiful. ये स्टेयर्स का जो ब्लैक आउटलाइन है उसको हल्का और मर्ज कर दीजिए बस. इट्स परफेक्ट. एंड अगर थोड़ा सा और भी दिखा पाए मुझे, अगर पॉसिबल हो वाटर कलर्स के साथ. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू शो. हाँ, yeah, I know. 2 minutes left. Very beautifully done. And see, very simple coloring. You will be applying just normal outlines, then you will merge. Very good, Priyanka. It's amazing. Amazing. Mahalakshmi ma'am, very nice work. Excellent. Okay. And this is all about our Lord Ganesha. Yes, it was really a detailed work. And I just went little quick, I know. But the technique is same. But you will be making little, putting little more darker tone. Okay. From this side, as I want to show this black aura from here. This is completed. Yes. And I know it's really a very detailed work. You all are busy. But for canvas, it's a lovely artwork. You can try it on canvas because for Lord Ganesha, we just mix two colors. So for beginners, it's very good. Very good, Aparna. Beautiful. Now mix it with red. You got the technique now, Aparna? Aparna, ma'am? You got the technique? Is it clear? You are going to get the recording as well. But very beautifully applied. The backside portion you applied beautifully. Very good, Shri. Great. Great work. Outstanding. But apply black here in stairs. Shireen ma'am, you apply black this side. Okay? Shireen ma'am. From here you will be applying black on stairs. Okay? Is anyone left? Sarita ma'am, very nice. Excellent. बस सबको स्टेयर्स पे यहाँ ये चीज ध्यान रखने बस ये इंस्ट्रक्शंस आप सुन लीजिए जब आपका पूरा स्टेयर हो जाए ना आउटलाइन के बाद when you will merge it with it as this is black aura we showed now we will be just moving black color from this side bus and it's perfectly done and you all have done it very well. I just went through few drawings they showed and rest are busy because I can understand it's a detailed work and picking it up again and again. Nivi ma'am, very nice, excellent. And as I'm getting indication of winding up the class, I will have to wind up class. Very good, Nivi. With this, I will be taking the leave. Hopefully the technique, did you get the technique? How to go? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, bye. With